Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you guys' Christmas is going fantastic. I hope this is a lot clearer for you. New phone. I'm not dressed for jogging, but I decided, what the hell. I was getting cold just walking, so I decided to go for a little jogging. Another quit smoking cigs. Actually, it ain't so bad, so I think we're gonna continue on. I just wanted to start this phone up and see how it does when it's moving. I know the other one's all like sketchy, so let's keep on the move and see what happens. Positive vibes. Upside down frowns. Good. Let's give it that way, guys. It's not very comfortable running in jeans, but you know, whatever. It's what it is, yeah. But in life, there's a lot of uncomfortable situations, so deal with it, right? See, here's a bunch of scat here. That must be geese or something. Hope I don't find any big kitty cats back here. Yeah, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Keep the positive vibes rolling throughout the new year. Speaking of the new year, my birthday is New Year's Eve. Like 36. Yeah, I'm getting old. I know. Tell me, guys. Tell me something I don't know. Well, do we want to go see the nest? Should we go see the nest, or should we go? Let's go see the nest. We haven't seen the nest for a few days now. Let's go. Come up to the cool beaver tree. Pretty cool. Holy fucking shit. Jesus Christ, guys. Holy man. That scared the shit out of me. If you couldn't tell. Oh, because in the back of my mind I always got the thought of the cougars down here. Man. Oh man, I bet you screamed like a little girl. Oh man. Oh. It looks like I took out my path, maybe. Yeah. That tree fell down. The rest of it looks like. That scared the shit out of me. Sorry for the language. Holy Christ, guys. This is right over there is where the tracks for the cougar I've seen several times now, where it goes down to get a drink of water right down there. Especially in the last snowfall. They're pretty fresh. So I know it's this area over here, and I found the scat over there as well. Right over there, directly right where I'm pointing, by that tree. Where I come across that first day, it was really fresh. But it is down here, so. Let's go see the nest, guys. See what they're doing for Christmas. See what these eagles are doing for Christmas. Here's my path. Looks different now, but maybe it's not. There you go, up and over. Alright, kitty cat, if you're back here, you can just stay away. Merry Christmas to you, Felix. We named him Cougar Felix. Merry Christmas, Felix. Oh shit, I forgot the beef jerky. I hope he doesn't come across me because I don't have beef jerky, guys. I usually come down with beef jerky just because I throw it at him, you know, just a decoy for now so I can get the hell out, you know. Sketchyville, USA. Alright. Here's my path. There's a nest. Positive vibes, right, guys? Positive vibes. The nest is right. I'll go this way a little bit. So I wanted to go through this way actually to show you guys those cool trees I come across. They're really cool. But there's a nest. don't know if you guys see anything on there. Hopefully it's clear, no? It's so hard to see. And it's the same color, guys. I don't think I'm gonna go that way. There's the nest right up there. Whoa, I almost fell off this branch, this tree. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go back the way I came and you watch where I'm going. Jesus Christ. Watch where you're going when you guys are walking. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I don't know. It looks clear. Looks clear to me, guys. Ah, good dentist next week, hopefully. Yep. All right, you guys have a fantastic day. I just wanted to see. Actually, I'm gonna jog back. See if you guys. Whoa, up and over. Make sure you guys have a wonderful, fantastic day. I'm gonna have a fantastic day too. I'm gonna jog a few more times and then go with my dad, stepmom to a secret place. This should be fun. But, alright guys, I want to keep on jogging, but you guys know what to do. Right on. Good vibes. Peace out. Subscribe if you can, guys. Appreciate it. Merry Christmas, guys.